My name is Abhinav and I am a high school student. I was diagnosed with Asperger's when I was a child, which is basically when one has problems with social interaction. In this series of videos, I would like to share my experiences and learnings from where I was 10 years ago to how I am today, right from academics to learning life skills. I hope you will find these videos fun and enjoyable. Please stay tuned till the end of this one. So, where was I 10 years back? Have a glimpse. As you can see, I had a lot of enthusiasm for learning. Over and above, the word maths actually terrified me. Over the next few weeks, I would like to share simple, fun, and cool tricks on how to do multiplication, division, and various other concepts. Now, let us see how any number can be multiplied by 11 in a jiffy. Now, I will show you the method that we use to multiply 11 by any number in a jiffy. So, let's start with a simple number like 14. 1 second. 14. 14 multiplied by 11. So, how do we do this in the traditional method? I'll now do it in the traditional method. 14 multiplied by 11. We multiply first by the units digit, 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 1, 1. Then we multiply by the tens digit. So 1 into 4, first we put 0, then 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 1, 1. Adding, we get 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, and 1, 154. How do we do this in the trig method? So, first, we do not need to worry about 11. We take 4. To the right, to the neighbor to the right of 4, it's nothing, which means 0. So, 4 plus 0, 4. Moving to 1. 1's neighbor is 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Moving to a blank space, again being 0. 0 plus 1, which is its right hand side neighbor, 154. As we can see, the answers are the same. Now, how about a 4-digit number? Let's say I'll take 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. In the traditional method, this is how it's done. 2, 4, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. 2, 4, 6, 8 into 1, so 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Again, 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. Adding, we get 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 11. 4 plus 2, 8. No, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And 2. 27,148. Now, let's see it in the trig. So, we take 8. To the right of 8, there is no number, meaning 8 plus 0, 8. Moving to 6. 6's neighbor is 8, so 6 plus 8, 14. Carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. 4's neighbor is 6, so 5 plus 6, 11. Moving to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2's neighbor is 4, so 3 plus 4, 7. Moving to blank space, again 0. To the right hand side of 0 is 2, so 0 plus 2, 2. As we can see, the answers are the same again. Now, let's see if it works with a giant number, like a 6 or 7 digit number. I will take a random number such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Now, let us multiply this by 11. So, 9's neighbor is nothing. 9 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. Moving to 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So, 7. Carry forward 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 7's right hand neighbor is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry forward, 4 plus 1 5, 4's neighbors 7, so 7 plus 5 12. Moving to 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3's right hand neighbor is 4, so 4 plus 4 8. Moving to 2, 2's right hand neighbor is 3, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Moving to 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. And moving to blank space, 0. 0's right hand neighbor is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's see this answer in the calculator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 multiplied by 11. As we can see, the answer is correct. 13,582,679. Let's take a few more numbers. Now I'm going to draw a simple table with the question on the left hand side and the answer on the right hand side. Now the first number we'll take is 131. 131 multiplied by 11. 1's right hand neighbor is 0, so 1 plus 0 1. Moving to 3, 3's right hand neighbor is 1, so 3 plus 1 4. Moving to 1's right hand neighbor is 3, so 1 plus 3 4. Moving to a blank space, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 1441. Let's check this in the calculator. 131 multiplied by 11. 1441. The answer is correct. Now we'll do 1, 3, 5, 7. 7's right hand neighbor is 0, 7 plus 0 7. Moving to 5, 5's right hand neighbor is 7, 5 plus 7 12. Taking carry forward, 3 plus 1 4, 3's right hand neighbor is 5, 5 plus 4 9. Moving to 1's right hand neighbor is 3, 1 plus 3 4. Moving to 0, 0's right hand neighbor is 1, 0 plus 1 1. The answer is 14,927. Let's check this in the calculator. 1, 3, 5, 7 multiplied by 11. As you can see, the answer is correct. Let's move on to one more number. 2, 4, 7, 9, 5. Let's take 5. 5's right hand neighbor is 0, 5 plus 0 5. Moving to 9, 9's right hand neighbor is 5, 9 plus 5 14. Moving to 7, taking a carry forward, 7 plus 1 8, 7's neighbor is 9, 9 plus 8 17. 4's right hand neighbor is 7, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 12. Taking carry forward and moving to 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2's neighbor is 4, 3 plus 4 7. Moving to 0, 0's right hand neighbor is 2, 0 plus 2 2. The answer is 272,745. Let's check this in the calculator. 24795 multiplied by 11. 272,745. Now, please take 15 seconds to do these questions. Now that the times begin. 8's neighbor is 0, 8 plus 0 8. Moving to 5. 5's neighbor is 8, 5 plus 8 13. Carry forward 1. Moving to 3, 3 plus 1 4. 3's neighbor is 5, so 4 plus 5 9. Moving to 1. 1's neighbor is 3, 1 plus 3 4. Moving to 0. Moving to 0, 0's neighbor is 1, 0 plus 1 1. The answer is 14,938. Let's check this in the calculator. The answer is correct. Moving to 2,222. Starting with 2. 2's neighbor is 0, so 2 plus 0 2. Moving to 2. 2's neighbor is 2, 2 plus 2 4. Moving to 2. 2's neighbor is 2, 2 plus 2 4. Moving to the last 2. 2's neighbors 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Moving to 0. 0's neighbors 2, so 0 plus 2 is 2. The answer is 24,442. Let's check this in the calculator. 2,222 multiplied by 11. 24,442. Moving to 15,635. Starting with 5. 5 plus 0 is 0. No, 5 plus 0 is 5. Moving to 3. 3's neighbor is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 6's neighbor is 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Moving to 5. 5's neighbor is 6. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry forward 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1's neighbor is 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Moving to 0. 0's neighbor is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. The answer is 171,985. Let's check this in the calculator. 15,635 multiplied by 11. 171,985. The answer is correct. Moving to the final question. 5,134. 4's neighbor is 0. 4 plus 0, 4. Moving to 3. 3's neighbor is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 1. 1's neighbor is 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 5's neighbor is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Moving to 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 is the right hand neighbor. 56,474. Let's check this in the calculator. 5,134 into 11. 56,474. As we can see, all the answers are correct. That brings us to the end of multiplying by 11. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Please click on the bell button to stay notified and subscribe to keep up with my videos. Thank you, and bye.